Fang or Tusk, depending, how how addicted to the manga you are. Or it's manhwa. It's not really a manga, is it? But anyway, Fang, as he's called in the anime. This is when Sun Jing-woo takes him over, so he's like black and red and blue and looking cool. Landscape page, pencil eraser, hit pause if I go too fast. Got a hood, black hood, like over his head. Things are obscured, not clear. So, let's see what we can do. Center point to my page about here. And come up over to the right, start with his frowning eyebrow. Like a check mark, sort of like that, right? He's got like heavy sort of frowns and stuff. And I might ad-lib a bit on this one because it's not all clearly drawn in. So we'll do a frown sort of similar on the other side. A lot of people clicking off because I'm making stuff up. Okay. So his eyes sort of glowing in under here, right? So I'll just add top eyelids kind of there. And then we go around like so. Then his iris, which is kind of just glowing blue under there. And then we do the same this side. And that big glowing blue eye. So I think we just got nostrils here. I think. And then we got those big fangs, but we'll go with a kind of a straight line across here first, and then we'll do a big fang going up this side. Interesting, the translation change from Tusk to Fang, actually. Some people not happy about it. This goes up pretty high, like close to his eye. So, and then like his bottom lip comes across, kind of bends a bit up and down. Then we got like sharp teeth, just up and down, up and down, up and down, zigzag there. And then another, not sure if that's, I think that it's another tooth sticking out here. And there may be a top lip line. Okay, so his mouth is like bumpy. So you got like, textured sort of bottom lip. And then his chin is real square. There. His jaw sticks out quite far. Either side. Kind of goes up towards that tooth there. Right, and then like his cheekbone or something goes in there, and then this goes down like that, and similar on the other side. That's probably higher up. The hood is like blocking stuff. So we get the hood. So it's like right, like in the middle of his forehead, there's like this V, right? Just kind of there. It's kind of like curtains. And then this goes down. It's kind of wavy because it's like aura or something. I do like solo leveling. I think it's very simple, full of hype sort of moments. It's pretty good. I enjoy it. Not a lot of thinking involved. It's great. Right, so we got like a pattern on his face, like black lines. I'll just draw those in just so we know where they are. So like coming up from his top lip, there's like coming in towards his eye and stuff. Around the bottom of his eye. Like that, right? And it goes up and around the eye. Bit that comes in here and then down over his eye. So let's say from the frown, it's like we're adding another frown here, and then it comes across his brow. That should probably be wider then. Yeah, so this goes this way, that way, then down to his eye. It's kind of complicated. Where's the other one? So there's like a diamond here in the middle. And then something else. Here. Okay, and they're like black, or like, not like pure black, but like gray, dark gray. So his hood, he's got like this glowing blue neck, basically, so the hood sort of closes that in, and it's kind of like on fire with aura or something. Black smoke. Shadow Monarch stuff. So you can't see his neck, it's just like blue in there. And then sorry for the coughing. Then his hood, it comes around this way. And again, it's like flame, black flame. I think it just joins his shoulder then. I think there's like some loose bits that like go off him. And we start hitting like shoulder armor and stuff there. So I'll probably do those skulls. There's a line of skulls. I'll probably do them last. We'll try and get like his shoulder width in, right? So coming from the hood here, I think. So we'll go. It's unclear, but I imagine if it's shoulder armor, it's kind of like this. Right, and then there's like another little bit here. And then it kicks out really wide, right? So like, wow, that. And then it kind of like got a bit at the end here. There's all these red lines, but there's just two of these pieces of armor. Two like sort of V shapes. And then we got up here. And it's like a big shoulder pad. It goes off that way then. And we can see like a red line here and his arm, perhaps his arm that way. There's all red details in this, but we'll just get the other one because it's a bit more complicated. So say like top of this shoulder armor's here, and this one comes down this way, up. And this is like a skull as well, so there's like a big horn like coming out here. Right, so I'll just like get that main shape in first. So this bends sort of twice. So we'll go that way first, and then like curves in and out again. like that, sort of. And then we'll bring it back down. Boom. Okay. And then, so this is like a skull, right? So it kind of comes out like this to like spiky teeth down here. It kind of bumps a bit, like just a wavy line, and then we got like sharp teeth. So each of these is like a tooth, right? So it's kind of like a diamond. Like that. So this one's like in the front, and then they go back, right? And then we have the shoulder armor sort of plating area as it sits on his body, right? And there's all red lines on that as well. We just got another piece of shoulder armor going down the page that way. So the rest is like, oh, there's another horn back here actually. The rest is like red details and like wavy lines and stuff, and skulls, obviously, skulls. So line of skulls around here. I'll do them last, but we'll get like, okay, so say there's like a Nike tick here, sponsored by Nike. All right, and you kind of, it's like a mirror image. They don't have to be exactly the same, but roughly, you know. And you have to do a space inside of each of these to make it so you can color it red. So we'll go like here, and it kind of connects to the next line. So you could go all the way up, but there's a bit of a gap, so you just jump a bit and then do that. See, you could join them, but you'd have a line there, and there isn't one in the show, so we'll just leave it sort of like there's a gap. Because there's another piece of red that goes down here. And I think it comes back up and in. And then a little spike here. And then we go around. And then bumps again. Now if you like find yourself high up on your page, say you've like stopped this up here, you can just cut your page, you know, or like find the photo of him and add a bit. But if I like stopped here, I would just get a ruler, scissors, job done. Make your page fit your drawing. Little tip for you. And then we go around. Just this to add that sort of red line. There's actually a red line here as well. And we'll try and copy this over the other side. So this one might go underneath. And then there's some red lines on his armor, so it's sort of like all on the edge, really. I think it like stops there. And then there may be another one. Another little one here. It's like an accent, you know, it's just sort of on the edge of things. And a red line around the end of this. And then down this way. Right, so now we have to draw 7 skulls. Easy peasy. So, top of the middle skull, we'll just go around. I'll simplify these, right? And then you just go out for the cheekbone. And then the teeth down the bottom. So just add a few lines for the teeth. And then there are 3 go that way and 3 go that way. The nose is an upside down love heart. Happy Valentine's. Then from Fang. I think the eyes glow blue as well. And we'll add them coming up the side now. It'd be a bit of a challenge to get it look like they're sort of turning, but we can do it. Just kind of square eyes as well on skulls. Last one on this side goes underneath his hood there, I think. Then 3 over here. Top of the skull again. It's quite round. Square eyes. Nose. Same pattern each time, really. I'm probably making my ones look a bit angrier than they are. Right. Teeth. Forgot teeth. Fang from Solo Leveling. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.